Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we will discuss that how you can change the password of your Coinbase account. So to begin with, you need to open Coinbase application on your device. Once you open the application, tap on this menu. Once you tap on this menu, you need to select Profile in Setting. You need to scroll down where you will find Security, and under Security, you need to tap on Change Security Settings. So once you tap on this, it will take a bit of time to load. So it will bring you here. From here, you need to tap on Email and Password. So if you want to change your password, tap on Update. So once you tap on Update, it will bring you to the Coinbase website. You need to verify that it is you using your passkey if you have created. Now you need to enter your new password and then confirm the new password. Once you do so, then you will just need to tap on Continue. I'm not going to change my password, but this is it. You need to enter a new password and confirm that new password and then tap on Continue, and your password for Coinbase account will be changed. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.